Hello viewers, in this video we'll see how to make spinach and corn sandwich. This sandwich is great for breakfast and also perfect to pack in the lunchbox. Start off the filling by heating 1 tablespoon ghee in a pan, 2 cloves of crushed garlic and fry till golden. Then add 1½ cups of finely chopped spinach and fry until the spinach wilts. Now add 1½ cups of sweet corn and fry for a few minutes. Add required amount of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Mix all this well and fry until the corn is cooked. Now add half a cup of grated cheese. Mix this well until combined and set aside. Place a few tablespoons of the filling on a slice of bread. You can add oregano, chili flakes or even cooked pasta to the filling to suit your taste. And cover with a second slice. Next, apply butter on a heated pan and place sandwich and press down slightly. Apply butter on the top and toast till golden and crisp on both sides. Delicious spinach and corn sandwich is ready. Enjoy!